Hello friends, welcome to OpenHelix Telecom channel. Friends, today we will learn how we can draw line in CAD. Okay, so let's see full video and we will learn how we can draw. So first upon AutoCAD, this is AutoCAD 2018 and click on it and okay and wait for opening. Okay, so it will take little time. It's loading here. Okay, now okay, now it's ready. Okay, so now uh, we can draw line in AutoCAD, but first we need to set some setting. So we will set first. One minute, still I think it's loading. So many parameter is there, and you can see there showing not responding. Okay, okay, now it's ready. So what we will do first? We have command first. You sorry, you click on it. Okay, now you see yes. You can press and set 0 sorry 0 to 0 and enter. Okay, set here that is x and y origin, axis and y axis you can say. Now now we have to set unit. So unit command is units and click on it, and whatever you need here you can select them. Okay, we need decimal and you can put 0 here, and angle type decimal degree, that is okay. And insertion scale, we need to choose millimeter. Okay, because we are going to draw line diagram. So everything set proper and then you can click on OK. Okay, now we have two options to draw line diagram. Okay, so we have to click on home and you can see here line diagram. So you can click here and draw line. Whatever length you need, you can put length. I mean, we need 20, you can put 20 and press enter. Okay, press enter. Then you have to leave line from here, then press ESC, escape. Okay, so now your 20 length, 20 millimeter length, your line is here. Okay, you don't want to choose this one, then you can click on that and you can see it's showing all lines selected. Then you can press delete option, it will delete. Okay, now if you draw with command, then you type L, you can see you only have to type only L, then line it will show here. Then you can click on here and you can drag whatever length you need. You need 25, you can press 2 5 and you can press enter also if you need from this line only. So from this type, from this command we can draw line in AutoCAD. Okay, so now I'm going to tell everything about AutoCAD. I mean polyline, circle, arc, remove, copy, move, how we will do. So this is my first part, and I'm going to teach you all command and everything whatever this section, this section, this section. So I'll make a small video and I'll teach you one by one so that you can understand easily. So thank you guys.